Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the Avolusion Pro 5Y 8TB USB 3.0 portable external hard drive. This drive promises a lot, especially for gamers on PC, Mac, PlayStation, and Xbox, so let's see if it delivers. First impressions are solid. The white case looks clean and modern. Inside, it houses an 8TB 7200 RPM enterprise-class hard drive. A key point here is that it's a refurbished drive, but Avolusion assures us it's been rigorously tested, has zero bad sectors, and boasts 100% health. This is crucial for reliability, especially when dealing with large game files and constant read-write operations. For PlayStation users, this drive offers a practical solution for managing game storage. You can directly play PS4 games from the Avolusion, freeing up precious space on your PS5's internal SSD for those next-gen titles. While you can't directly download PS5 games to the external drive, you can move them from the internal SSD to the Avolusion for storage. This transfer process takes only a few minutes, which is significantly faster than re-downloading the entire game. The Avolusion is also compatible with Windows and Mac OS. It comes pre-formatted with the exFAT file system, making it plug-and-play ready for many users. However, keep in mind that you might need to reformat it depending on your specific console requirements. Beyond gaming, this drive is an excellent option for expanding your computer storage. With 8 terabytes of space, you can back up your entire system, store large media files, and have plenty of room for future growth. Avolusion emphasizes the importance of regular backups, and this drive makes it easy to implement a daily backup schedule. The combination of a new case and a refurbished enterprise-grade HDD is an interesting approach. Enterprise drives are designed for 24/7 operation and are typically more robust than standard desktop drives. The fact that Avolusion puts these drives through thorough testing and offers a 2-year warranty provides some peace of mind. In summary, the Avolusion Pro 5Y 8TB USB 3.0 portable external hard drive is a compelling option for gamers and anyone needing extra storage. The large capacity, fast transfer speeds, and compatibility with multiple platforms make it a versatile solution. While the refurbished drive aspect might raise some eyebrows, Avolusion's testing and warranty help alleviate those concerns. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to expand your storage, the Avolusion Pro 5Y is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.